Benefits of garlic clove in the toilet. If there is anything we don't like doing, it is cleaning. We can't postpone it, but by doing that, the bacteria will spread quickly. So, rolling up your sleeves is the only thing to do. Is cleaning the toilet on your schedule for today? Then wait a while. We got something really helpful for you all. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. The internet today is full of tricks that make your life easier. Descaling the kettle? You can do that by boiling water with a lemon in it. Cleaning the washing machine? You do that by putting 2 dishwasher tablets in it. These tips don't sound too strange or unusual. One that does sound weird is to put a clove of garlic in the toilet. With the mantra, if it doesn't work, it won't hurt. That of domestic cleaning is an activity that not everyone likes, but it must be done anyway, because it allows you to have the right degree of hygiene inside a house. Among the home environments that need more attention is the bathroom, given that it is among the largest outbreaks of germs and bacteria. We know how important the cleaning of the bathroom is, and this is the reason that pushes most people to use chemicals that have a deep action. However, not everyone is aware of the fact that it is also possible to use more ecological, homemade products, taking advantage of what nature has to offer us. The solution we have for you all is extremely effective and highly economical. In fact, it is a question of using only 1 clove of garlic. Garlic is a product of the garden, which is mainly used in the kitchen for food purposes. Not everyone knows, however, that it has other interesting properties excellent for human health, but also for house cleaning. It is a vegetable that contains allicin, a substance which among other things is antiseptica. That is, it prevents the development of infectious microorganisms, precisely because it is an antiseptic. The allicin contained in garlic can be exploited for disinfecting the toilet. Indeed, it can offer protection against bacteria, but also block the development of fungi. The results obtained following the correct procedure are always very effective from the point of view of hygiene. It can be cleaned with chemicals and pollutants, but if you want to limit its use by resorting as much as possible to more natural and eco-sustainable systems, we invite you to sanitize it with a clove of garlic. To proceed with the elimination and the impeding development of pathogens, these indications must be followed. Peel a clove of garlic and place it in the toilet. We suggest doing this in the evening before going to sleep. Usually the bathroom is used less at night. If the toilet is used during the night, it will be necessary to repeat the operation for each use. When you wake up in the morning, flush the toilet. This simple procedure, if done twice a week, will contribute to a good disinfection. Garlic clove will not only help in sanitizing and cleaning the toilet, it also helps in removing the yellow stains from the toilet bowl. Boil 2.5 cups of water with 3 cloves of garlic inside, peeled. Add a tea bag and leave it to infuse. Allow the liquid obtained to cool. Once it gets warm or cold, pour it into the toilet bowl before going to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, flush the toilet. If the stains are not completely eliminated, you can try to repeat the operation for the following nights. The latter method described can also be in the absence of yellow spots, as an alternative to the previous one. However, the use of the garlic clove alone without tea is cheaper and still has a good efficiency in terms of sanitation. Life with so much busy chores these days, focusing on toilet cleaning is something which would have our very less attention. But with this trick of just a few minutes, you can find it very helpful in cleaning your toilet, even in your busiest routines. Garlic is pretty marvelous. It's used around the world as the base for many delicious recipes. But along with that, it has many other uses and benefits which involve cleaning off dandruff, losing weight, as a remedy for cough, removing splinters, promoting hair growth, and a lot more. The biggest and most useful in busy days of our life is the one that we just shared with you all. We hope that the clove of garlic works wonders for you all. Let us know when you all try it and see the results for yourself. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier and beautiful life.